Hello, Patrick here. Today we're going to make 3-ingredient keto peanut butter cookies. We're going to get right to it. And just so there's no confusion, our ingredients include Skippy, no sugar added peanut butter. We're going to use 1 cup. I've got Fit Lane Allulose sweetener. We're going to use 1/2 cup. And we're going to use 1 large organic egg. First, we'll add 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of sweetener. I've got allulose, and we'll add our 1 egg. Now we're going to use our spatula and just mix it all up real good. And it doesn't matter what order you put them in the bowl, they're all going to get up against the edge, so start mixing it together. I mixed it about 2 minutes until it got a dough-like texture to it, and now we're going to form our cookies. A cookie scooper would probably work best. I'm using a tablespoon today. That might be kind of big. We'll try this. All right, I ended up with 18 cookies, so I'm going to make a cross pattern with the fork. Starting with this guy. Come on. That traditional peanut butter cookie design. Mine did not end up the same size, so you may want to use a cookie scoop. Yeah, look what we've got. We'll bake these in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes. We'll just keep an eye on them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 176 degrees Celsius, because I checked. You still being patient, Annie? All right, our cookies have baked for 10 minutes. Let's pull them out. Oh man, they look good. We're going to let them completely cool, and then we'll give them a try. Beautiful. All right, these have completely cooled. Let's see how they turned out. It's not crumbly, it's solid, and that looks delicious. And now for the taste test. By the way, for any new subscribers, Annie gets a treat. Just let me know in the comments below. That's delicious. I've got a new go-to whenever I'm craving something sweet. Thanks for watching. Cheers.